Hello, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to our Such Vlogs.
നമസ്കാരം, സച്ച് വ്ലോഗിൻ്റെ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
So, today we are going to explore a new city. So, which city it is?
It is Fujairah.
It is Fujairah. Where in Fujairah?
Fujairah we have so many places. We'll start from, there is a dam over there. There is places to trail. We don't know, we have to explore Fujairah. People in Dubai, come to Fujairah. People in Ras Al Khaimah, come to Fujairah. There are many things to explore in Fujairah. So we will be showing, I don't want to say any names now. We will be visiting, we will be showing each and every places, what we can do in Fujairah. But when you are planning, come for 2 days. Don't rush it. Nicely come. Today we have our new member that is called
Kunyan.
Kunyan. We call him Kunyan. So for today's trip we are 3, Kunyan, me and Chiku. So everybody have a question. See, so many vehicles are going, so that's the sound comes up. Everybody will have a question, why you put Kunyan? So he is in blue. He always bleed blue, and he is a guy. So that's why we have Kunyan. Let's see what is there in Fujairah, and let's explore Fujairah. So guys, നമ്മുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്പോട്ട്, the first spot is Wadi Shees Nature Trail. It's on the way. The first thing coming from Dubai, we'll see Wadi Shees Nature. Basically it's like a trail. We are at this point now. There is 9 point of interest. So covering this, we will be back. It is almost 1.8 kilometers. Approximately 30 minutes will take to cover and come back. The points are, the first point Falaj, the walled village, third point date farms, the farms, biodiversity, terraced gardens, water efficiency, microclimate and biodiversity. This is what exactly Wadi Shees Nature Trail is. So let's walk. We will take almost 30 minutes to come back. Let's see what is the nature shows us. So guys, നമ്മൾ ഈ ആവേശം, the first ആവേശം നമുക്ക് അവസാനം വരെ ഉണ്ടാവുമെന്ന് അറിയില്ല. ആവേശ് കുമാറിലാണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിൽ എത്ര സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് എനിക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ. ലെറ്റ്സ് സീ. നമ്മൾ ഏകദേശം ഒരു 100 മീറ്റർ കവർ ചെയ്തു. നമുക്ക് റെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഈസ് ഇറ്റ് മാംഗോ? നോ, സംതിങ്. ബട്ട് see the beauty of the nature. This is not in India, this is not in Kerala, this is in UAE. It's almost 8 o'clock. Due to no walking anytime, I am doing. So let's see. For normal people, I think it needed 30 minutes. For us, maybe 1 hour. We reached our first point. That is the Falaj. The Falaj is
traditional channel that transports water
from underground by gravity for many purposes, including drinking, cleaning, recreation and irrigation. So what they're saying is, it's
Did you
water.
know this is one of the only Falaj in UAE that is still naturally flowing all the year long.
Water is our most precious resource, so we must use it wisely. Wow. So that means this is only naturally flowing all year long. So let's see. This is our first point. നമ്മൾ സെക്കൻഡ് പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് എത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞു തോന്നുന്നു. So what is the second point of the old village? The old village is where the community of Wadi Shis once lived. The ruler of Sharjah, H.H. Sheikh Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasimi used to visit Wadi Shis and would stay in this house, which was renovated and now used as a mosque. The village is now host to the local former workers. Let's see what is that. I think we cannot go there, I guess. Yeah, we can go. There is way to go inside. No, we cannot go. And now, date farms. For generations, dates have been a source of sustenance for the community of Wadi Shis. The palms are irrigated year-round to produce a fruit. During the date harvest season, a farmer will climb the tree and remove ripe clusters of dates. Some of the dates are immediately used, while others are placed in the flat area to dry naturally in sun for preservation and future use. Now come, we'll see the date palms. I think this is the best time to visit this place, better than coming little late. Come by 6, 7 in the morning, 8 o'clock, so it's very nice. Actually, we were feeling cold.
Yeah, you can see there's a moon also visible.
Yeah. If this moon was coming 3 days before, Shiku would have opened her fast by 8 o'clock itself. Actually, this water goes to the dates, I guess.
See, the water is so clean, so good.
It is not salted water, it's like very, you can say the pure water. After me coming from Kerala, I think this is the best place where we can have directly water from it.
See, it's so clean also.
Yeah, it's very clean.
Clear.
And see this, actually for the people not to divert the location, they are actually given the signboards very nicely. So it is there. So see this water is very fresh. Fresh water, അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ we cannot swim here, we cannot take shower here, but we can drink this water. So we'll try to drink this water. ഒരു ടേസ്റ്റ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. Very cold water. You can very cold. Very cold means very cold. See, I feel like jumping and
Jumping and going to jail directly.
water efficiency. So sprinklers, bubblers and schedule system is prove water efficiency. Modern irrigation technologies and management practices significantly. They are saying about using of sprinklers, bubblers and all those things. They distribute that water which is coming naturally. Very nice. We don't feel like we are now. What is the time now? Let's see what time is. It's 8:33 morning, and this is the best time to come on a Friday. On a Friday at this time, when you travel, you feel very relaxed. When you have a tight schedules in your daily life, I always suggest you to come here. And people in UAE should know that there is very good, nice places to roam around. It's my first time experience in UAE to do such trails. I have never done any trails. See, there are many places where you have an option to get in and take photos, which is dangerous, which we are not doing it. I think a little rush is also there, I think, because of Friday, I guess. Biodiversity. Number 1, why?
Level number 2 earlier.
Yeah. Year-long access to fresh water in open channels of Falaj occupied with traditional farming make excellent conditions to biology diversity. Which I didn't understand anything, but still I will read. People came back, I guess, because there is a way to there and there. Now to go where actually? It is showing like this down and one is showing at this place. See, I think people are living here. It is not that, you know, we are in a place only like a exhibition center or zoo or something like that. It is not like that. There are people living, people are staying here. So it is like almost we are reaching down. It's like, as we said, it is not 30 minutes. See, once you stop seeing and coming, yeah, it will take 30 minutes, but very nice. We are reaching down. I think that the area we have parked our car. I think we have to walk a bit more to reach to our bike place. So we are down. We have actually enjoyed a lot. It was great. I suggest everybody, every family members to come here. The reason we didn't take our kids is because of Corona. We don't wanted kids to roam around. We always take precautionary things, like we use mask only to speak. I remove it, and then it is very nice. Just a 30 minutes walk. Amazing.
It's not just trail, people
it's
are
relaxed,
staying here also
very
actually.
relaxing. We are getting
Yeah.
the relaxation ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു പറയുന്നില്ല. So in Malayalam we call that relaxation. It is there from here. See the beauty, the nature is there. And once you are down, see you have Sharjah Cooperative Society. That means local people are here. We saw so many people's house also, which we don't wanted to take it. It's great. So we never had a plan for one more visit in the same place, because my brother actually from Abu Dhabi, he had sent me a link on Facebook to visit a park, Shees Park in Sharjah. So we were not knowing the Shees Park is very near to this place. On the way actually we have seen Shees Park. So we will do one thing, we'll just go there and just see what Shees Park is. Later actually you can come with your kids also. 11,362 square meter the park is basically. It's near to this. So if somebody wanted to come to Shees Park, they can actually have fun with this also. And there are so many bikers also goes here. We have a very big bike group, Cool Ones, which is in Abu Dhabi. We'll show them also in the coming videos. Okay guys, so we'll move to Shees Park and just we'll go street pass and we'll go back. So guys, the amazing experience, amazing place. There is a correction which we started. On the way to Fujairah, it's under Sharjah. It's in the place is under Sharjah. Amazing. We have to thank all the rulers of UAE to give us such chances to visit, and then we have to thank them, which they are caring these places in a very nice way. Thanks to all the rulers. And then now moving towards the dam. So guys, from Wadi Shees, we are at Shees Park, which is recently opened. Last week it got opened. I think October 18th they got opened. There are many speciality for kids. It is an amazing place. There are places to play, and then
We can also make barbecue.
This is also there, and there is a 25-meter long water field also there. So let's see. We have many things to walk around. So let's see what is there and there. From the gate itself, the first view is the waterfalls. നല്ല ഒരു വാട്ടർഫോൾസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഈ വാട്ടർഫോൾസ് വന്നും താഴേക്കാണ് വീഴണേ. So what he was saying me to put the mask, of course the safety is first. It is also written the playground area, family sitting area, barbecue area, there is theatre and mountain walkway. So what we will do is the mountain walkway, because there we don't have kids with us now. And this is the waterfall area. It's nice from where it's coming. I think it's coming from the
Dhake waterfall.
It's a man-made waterfall, I guess. I don't know.
Right.
The waterfall comes from there, but it's very beautiful. Now this is the mountain walkway. So this is how we should walk. And from here where the water is going, we never don't know where it is going. So this is the view to the waterfall.
Oh, it's very cold here. Nice day.
For us, waterfall means we know waterfalls everywhere, but seeing the waterfalls in such places, it is a different experience. So there is a walkway which you can walk up to the top of the mountain where you will have some kind of terrace garden, and then so many things are there. So we'll see, we'll go for a quick walk and then we'll move to the different locations. So we need to, in one day time, we need to explore Fujairah, I mean the Corfaghan. So we'll go for that. For barbecue, you can see that they have given the stands. We don't need to get the stands here. So people are like, for kids, there is a separate area for playing.
There's place to sit.
Yeah. And for barbecue, you can see the barbecue stands are there. They are given water also. So they want the families to come. This is how we'll walk. We'll go from here. Like this we'll go, and then we'll come back, and then we'll go up. So this is what this is. There is a small fountain here. Look at the kids area. So families, you can come with the kids, but always safety first. Keep the distance, and then please welcome to this place. Very nice for family and kids. We can actually come and sit there. Families, the best place. See, people from Sharjah, Dubai. It's a very, very different experience. Kids will agree. Of course, the kids in UAE will have that nature feeling. So guys, let's finish it off a bit faster. We are at the top. So we are here. This will have a 360-degree view. You can see the whole mountain. I cannot because I'm tired. There is places to sit. You can come all the way walking, have a sit, rest, and then go back. I am going and I want to sit. Bye guys. So this is what Shees Park is, which is inaugurated on October. We are quitting from here. Now we'll show you the other place. Bye bye. Chiku is still on the way.
Wadi Al Shees and Shees Park.
Exactly.
It was
Very much more to explore in Corfaghan itself. So that will be coming in our coming videos. Not next video, will be coming in our upcoming videos, yes. So till then, bye from Shankar and Chetna. Keep supporting guys.
Do like, share, subscribe to our
And
channel. Please do not forget to ring the bell button.
exactly.
All our videos.
And such vlogs is there in Facebook. So like the page for you to have a complete view on Corfaghan.
Yes. So please keep supporting. Bye bye.
Bye bye guys.